Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and I'm here with a Myntra festive wear haul. So I recently shopped for a lot of suit sets from Myntra and I thought I'll quickly show it to you guys. It's going to be a try on haul and I'm going to quickly show them one by one. All these sets that I got were under rupees 3000, so it's a great time to shop for these, especially when there's a lot of sales going on. I'll pop the prices and the sizes in which I got somewhere on the screen so that you can check it out, and I'll also add the links to all of these suit sets in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on my Instagram. I'm quite active on that platform as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, let me start with this one that I'm wearing right now. It's a velvet kurta set. It comes with a dupatta as well. I absolutely love the color black and I was so happy when I saw this one. It's a velvet A-line kurta set. By the way, I've been looking for a good velvet suit set for the past one and a half years now, and I haven't been able to find anything in A-line. It's from a brand called Ishin and I got it for under rupees 3000. I think velvet suit sets are perfect for the winter weddings. I'm extremely happy with the way it fits on me. It comes with a very nice dupatta. Okay, the only thing that I might warn you is that this suit set is quite heavy on its own because of its fabric. So in case you do not like heavy outfits, you can skip this one. Very good find. This is my favorite of the lot. I absolutely love it. The work detail on this one is also very minimal and chic. Everything about this suit set is perfect. I love it. I would give this a solid 9 on 10. So yeah, this is the first suit set that I got. Okay, next up we have this orange suit set. This again comes with a very pretty dupatta. All of these suit sets that I've gotten have sequin work on it. So it's not quite loud or flashy. The work on these are very minimal and chic. If you're someone who has a similar taste, you can check this out. This one's from a brand called Sangria and the fabric that they have mentioned here is Silk Blend. It's a very pretty shade of orange, which is why I got it. However, the pants are quite tight on me. If you're a pear-shaped girly like me, I think you might want to size up a little. I think I'm going to exchange it for a bigger size. Yeah, so that's about this suit set. Okay, next up I have this purple suit set again from the brand Sangria. It's very similar to the orange suit set that I showed earlier. Both the fabrics are very similar. I really did not like this suit set, especially the way it fit me, because I have a shorter torso and the yoke part that they've given is quite long. In case you're a taller person, this might look really good on you, but this one did not flatter my body type as much as I would want it to. So this one has zardosi and embroidery work all over the set. I really wanted it to fit me really well because I love the color of this one. It looks so pretty in real. It looks just like the pictures. It's so pretty. But yeah, unfortunately it did not fit me the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to be returning this one. Okay, next I have another velvet suit set. This one's in a nice pink color. This one was again in an A-line pattern, which is why I got it. This one comes with a nice orange organza dupatta, which I really love about this suit. I really love the color combination of this one, and also the fitting of the top is really good. However, the pants again did not fit me as much as I would like it to. It was quite tight around my thighs, which is why I'm going to exchange it for a bigger size. It's an A-line kurta with a side slit, so there's plenty of room to move around. In case you're a pear shape like me, you will love this suit set. It really does flatter the body type. I would again rate this suit set an 8.5 out of 10. I really wish the pants fit me well because otherwise I have no complaints with this suit. It's so pretty. The color and everything about this is really pretty. One thing about both these suit sets is that the fabric of this one is so breathable. I did not expect it to be this comfortable. I usually had the opinion that velvet fabrics are very thick and suffocating to wear. Right now there's no fan or AC on in my room and I'm still comfortable wearing this one. So I am surprised at how good the fabric is. I've come towards the end of this video. Okay, lastly I got a palazzo set from the brand Biba. It comes with a peplum top which has a tie-up detailing at the back and a very pretty palazzo pant. I got mine in the size small and the pants are very tight on me. I also noticed that there was a broken button on this top. The color is quite dull in real, so I'm not a big fan of this purchase. I'm definitely returning it. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. In case you liked any of these products that I showed, I'll leave the links in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. Also, let me know what other festive content you'd like to see here on YouTube. Let me know in the comments. I would love to do it for you guys. And yeah, with that, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye. Suit, not suit. Why is the button broken?